Let's walk through the process of exporting a video in Lightworks step by step. First, ensure you're in Lightworks and have your project open. Now, let's locate the clip within your timeline. To begin, right-click anywhere on your timeline. From the menu that appears, navigate to Export. Here you'll see various export options, but for our purpose, select H264MP4. This format is commonly used and offers good quality with efficient compression. In the pop-up window that follows, you'll notice settings for frame rate and resolution. Typically, these settings should already match your project's specifications. However, if necessary, you can adjust them to suit your preferences or requirements. It's essential to maintain consistency with your project settings for optimal results. Now, let's consider the destination where your exported file will be saved. By default, Lightworks will save it on your computer, but you can change this location if needed. It's also a good practice to provide a descriptive name for your file. This will help you easily identify it later, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and selections, it's time to initiate the export process. Simply click on the Start button, and Lightworks will begin rendering your video according to the specified settings. As the rendering progresses, you'll see a progress indicator. Once it's completed, another window will appear, indicating that the export is finished. Here, you'll have the option to open the folder where your exported file is located directly from Lightworks. This convenience allows for quick access to your newly created video. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully exported your video in Lightworks. Now your exported video should be ready to use, and you can continue with your editing process seamlessly.